The machine is suitable for kitchen, restaurant, hotel, fruit store, dessert store, etc. It can cut diced vegetables, ham, onion, fruit, etc. The machine has 4 sizes of knife sets. Stem vegetables, potatoes, sweet potatoes, melons, bamboo shoots, onions, eggplants and other fruits and vegetables into diced, sliced and silk strips. It is suitable for factory, school canteen, food factory and so on. This vegetable cutter machine widely used in root, carrot and fruit slices or thinly sliced, cutting products smooth surface and tidy. It is suitable for the market, fast food delivery or food processing. Its specially designed blade ensures perfect slicer machine is made of 304 stainless steel, very serious, solid, not trust and popular in our life. Blade with 304 stainless steel, very durable. This machine is especially suitable for cutting onion, lemon, apple, dragon fruit. Industrial dry powder food material mix chemical medicine food flour granule blender mixer machine and 1 kg 2 kg 5 kg 10 kg 20 kg 100 kg. Solve the difficulties of traditional peeling effectively, saving the manpower and increase profits. Nuik medium-sized fruit processing small industrial fruit peeling fruit mango peeling machine. Stainless steel automatic potato peeling machine. Nuik small planer blade grinding machine knife sharpener. small desktop steampunk Bowser making machine Xiaomi machine wonton noodles making machine.